This classic American apple pie will change the way you see dessert forever. A perfect apple pie starts with the crust. Simple, but magical. Mix flour and salt. Mix cold butter with flour until it turns into soft crumbs. And add ice water just until the dough comes together. Don't overwork it. Wrap it up and let it rest in the fridge. Now for the heart of the pie. Slice the apples, then mix with sugar, cinnamon, and lemon. Roll the dough out nice and smooth. Ready for the base. Fill it up with those juicy apples and a little butter. Don't be shy. Cover it with a beautiful lettuce. Just like this. Make it 180 degrees until golden, crispy, and perfect. It takes about an hour. Look at that! Let it cool for at least 2 hours. This step is crucial for the filling to fully set. Then serve this delicious apple pie with melting vanilla ice cream. Now tell me in the comments how much HooLou coin you have earned. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more delicious recipes. My next destination is so far from here. Guess if you can.